Guys, today show you how to take backup and put that backup on that iPad also back. So that phone is disabled, that iPad is disabled. So guys, I select that and then boot to run disk. So guy, we select another run disk because it's not working on that run disk. So we don't. So we take that one. So we'll see if we have that or not. I think we have that if it's working. It is iPad 7. Inshallah, that's working. So that's finished. So now we will back up that passcode because it have SIM card. So that's successful, guy. So now we are restart that iPad. Restart it. So that is successful, guy. That is successful. That phone will be restored now. See, guys. So if you doing put the backup, so we will do again that. So that's restarting now. As you see, guys, that phone is restart now. So now I put back that backup on that phone, that iPad. So guys, we are doing that thing that I do. So same thing again. So first take the iPad boost, that's taking again, and then boot the run disk again. So see, guys, that run disk is run disk again that. So our phone is on DFU mode. So that run disk is going to finish. So that's finished. So now restore backup. So now we restored the backup back on that iPad. So that's taking SIM. If that iPad don't have SIM card, so you can change the serial number and bypass without SIM. This is easy. So now it's finished, guy. So see, guys, that phone is finished. The iPad is finished. So now we will it's finished, guy. Now see. Continue. See the Nexus coming. So let's finish. Thanks guys for watching my video. So don't forget subscribe my video and like my videos. Subscribe my channel. Thanks guys.